Redmi's Note 17 Pro has always been known for delivering excellent value for money, which is why so many people consider it the ultimate budget-friendly smartphone lineup. But with the new Redmi Note 17 Pro, the company has taken a noticeably different approach. If you only compare the specifications on paper, some people might even say this generation has taken a step backward. However, I see it differently. With memory prices continuing to rise, Redmi has clearly focused on what everyday users actually need, instead of simply chasing bigger numbers.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Looking at this generation as a whole, it's easy to notice that performance, camera hardware, and memory configurations have become a little more conservative because of increasing component costs. But rather than seeing this as a compromise, it feels like Redmi has intentionally shifted its budget away from features that matter less to most buyers and invested it in the areas that make a real difference. Their answer is pretty straightforward. Durability comes first. Let's start with the build quality. The Redmi Note 17 Pro features Corning Gorilla Glass on the front and is designed to survive drops from as high as 3 meters. It also comes with IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K ratings for water and dust resistance. Even more impressively, it can withstand being submerged in 2 meters of water for up to 72 hours. For buyers in this price segment, giving up a little bit of performance isn't a major issue because the phone is still powerful enough to last for years. But if it breaks after a drop or gets damaged by water, replacing it becomes unavoidable. So improving durability makes a lot of sense. Another upgrade that's impossible to ignore is the massive 9,000 mAh battery. That's a huge 2,000 mAh increase over the previous generation. During testing at 200 nits brightness and 50% volume, after spending 1 hour on Douyin, 1 hour browsing Weibo, and another hour streaming 1080p online videos, the battery dropped from 94% to 76%. That's only an 18% drain over 3 hours of continuous use. Based on those results, you can expect around 15 hours of non-stop usage, which is seriously impressive for battery life. Charging has also received a welcome boost, increasing from 45 watts to 67 watts. It takes around 35 minutes to go from 1% to 50%, while a full charge to 100% finishes in about 83 minutes. Considering the enormous 9,000 mAh battery, that's a balanced charging speed. Not exceptionally fast, but definitely practical and in line with expectations. Redmi has also included 22.5-watt reverse wired charging, making it easy to top up accessories like wireless earbuds or even another smartphone when needed. Of course, fitting such a huge battery inside the phone comes with a trade-off. The Redmi Note 17 Pro weighs 226 grams, so it does feel a little heavier in the hand. That said, when you factor in the large 6.83-inch display and the massive battery capacity, the overall weight feels completely reasonable. On top of that, the overall design looks stylish and visually appealing. The display is another highlight. The Redmi Note 17 Pro features a sharp 1.5K OLED panel with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and an impressive peak outdoor brightness of up to 3,500 nits, making it easy to view even under bright sunlight. It also supports 3840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming along with DC dimming for enhanced eye comfort during extended use. To round things off, this generation introduces Redmi's full-link AI anti-fraud protection system. It helps safeguard users against scam phone calls, suspicious SMS links, risky applications, and even NFC-related fraud attempts, adding another layer of security to the overall experience.
The Redmi Note 17 Pro also includes several thoughtful smart features, such as location sharing, remote assistance, and remote management tools designed especially for senior users. It can even identify AI face swapping during video calls, adding an extra layer of security. None of these features are particularly complicated on their own, but together they make a lot of sense for the type of users the Redmi Note series is built for. Now, let's talk about the compromises Redmi had to make. The Note 17 Pro is powered by the 4th generation Snapdragon 6S processor. In terms of gaming performance, titles like Honor of Kings can reach up to 60 frames per second. That's perfectly fine for everyday tasks and casual gaming, but if you're looking for a phone that delivers high frame rate gaming, this definitely isn't the right choice. The camera setup has also been simplified. Most of the imaging hardware is focused on the 50-megapixel main camera, while ultra-wide and telephoto lenses are missing. The front camera has also seen a reduction in specifications, so you'll notice the difference during everyday photography. However, with memory costs continuing to rise, Redmi has clearly chosen to prioritize other areas instead. Storage is another area where we've seen some changes. The base configuration is once again 8 GB of RAM paired with 128 GB of storage. For basic daily use, 128 GB is still enough, but if you're planning to keep this phone for 4 or 5 years and your budget allows, I definitely recommend choosing the 256 GB version. As for the 8 GB RAM model, it may become limiting as apps continue to grow larger over time. There are 2 simple tips that can help improve the experience. First, enable the memory expansion feature so the system can make use of up to 12 GB of available memory. Second, turn on the option that automatically clears memory after locking the screen, which helps reduce unnecessary background processes. These settings won't completely solve the memory limitation, but they can certainly make day-to-day performance smoother. So, to wrap everything up, the rising cost of memory has had a major impact on budget and mid-range smartphones. As a result, manufacturers have to be much more selective about where they invest their resources. With the Redmi Note 17 Pro, the focus is clearly on durability, including stronger drop protection, better water resistance, and outstanding battery life. Add in the smooth 120Hz display, AI-powered anti-fraud protection, and practical features for senior users, and you've got a phone that's designed to stay reliable for years. That's Redmi's vision of what a new generation People smartphone should be. Now, I'd love to hear your opinion. What do you think about the Redmi Note 17 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. This is just my first impression, and I'll be bringing you a full, detailed review very soon, so make sure you stay connected with the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.